Welcome to this tutorial on mappings in the x2x RMH-Acumatica integration. If you're managing retail operations and ERP data flow, understanding mappings is key to seamless integration between RMH and Acumatica. Mappings are the blueprint for how data flows between RMH and Acumatica. They define which data fields in RMH correspond to fields in Acumatica, ensuring accurate data synchronization. There are several key mapping types in the x2x RMH-Acumatica integration. Let's go through the most important ones. Location mappings. From the list of store-wise locations in RMH, choose the ones you want to map to specific warehouses in ERP Acumatica. Payment mappings. The mapping interface displays a list of available payment methods, including those configured at the store level and the global level, to map with the respective payment methods of Acumatica. Tax mappings. In the tax mapping interface, you'll see a list of taxes available in ERP Acumatica. Choose the tax you wish to map to RMH. Configuring mappings is simple in x2x eCommerce integration. Step 1. Access the mapping module in x2x eCommerce integration. Step 2. Select the type of mapping you want to configure. Step 3. Map fields by selecting corresponding values from RMH and Acumatica. Mappings are the backbone of a successful RMH-Acumatica integration. With proper mapping configuration and ongoing management, you can ensure seamless data flow and improve operational efficiency.